Welcome to Trading Arise. We're the learning channel on Forex trading in crypto. Today we will be taking a look at the Heikin Ashi trading strategy. And it's very easy for beginners and very accurate. And you don't have a clutter of mess of indicators all over your chart. Very simple, very powerful. Be sure to download the strategy down below in the description. It's a free ebook outline of the strategy. And then here's the ebook we'll be looking at. Money flow. You want to trade with the money. Which way is it flowing? Trade the current with the current, not against the current. Determine the flow direction by using a 20-day exponential moving average. A Heikin Ashi candlesticks. A Renko, if your charts allow it, like TradingView, but the MT4 and the MT5 unfortunately don't have the Renko, which is excellent to measure momentum. And a Maquis if you want to confirm your trade. Stay towards the end. I will show you how you can trade without the Renko. Step 1. Plot your 20-day EMA onto the chart. Which way is this EMA going? Flat or up or downwards? Your daily time frame will be the direction of your trade to synchronize the clock. What color is your candlestick? Bullish or bearish? On a Heikin Ashi candlestick, the longer the candlestick, the more volume, more momentum, the stronger the trend. As it gets shorter, it means it's weakening the trend. As it expands longer again, the trend is strong again. Also on the uptrend on the Heikin Ashi charts, you will have candlesticks on the upward side. The opposite when it's a downtrend, you will get a white candlestick. I have it set to blue and red. But when it's white, it's neutral. Well, it's going flat. So when you got a turn pullback, which it will make a downward candlestick stem on a downtrend. As long as we're above this 20-day EMA, we're in an uptrend. And of course, we will naturally have market pullbacks. But if you always trade the direction of the cash flow, your win ratio will be really like 85%. Okay, once you have your daily plotted out, in this example, we have a uptrend, like here. This is a live chart. We're $251 in profit right now. Once you got your day direction determined with your daily, you will go to your hourly chart. Find a trade to match your daily direction. Does the candlestick match the direction of your daily? If you had found a match, enter a trade using the 5-minute chart with a match. So, let's go take a look here at your 1-hour chart. Voila! We got a blue, very bullish candlestick of the Heikin Ashi, and is long, so the trend is strong. and it's above the 20-day EMA. So that's a good bullish trade. Next step, once you determine that, you will first, you will get your trend, draw a trend line on your last 4 hourly candles. Draw trend line. And then on the lower end, also there. You would place your buy stop right at this line here. So right now, it would be a very good entry right now. So now we will go to your 5 minute. Okay, once you get to your hour time frame, you will place your last hour of trading, place a line on the upper and lower of your hourly candle. We had a bullish on the daily and the hourly. Now let's pinpoint our entry with the 5 minute. Okay, here's the trend line. Here's the bottom end of it. Okay, we're not bullish anymore on the 5 minute. It's doing a pullback. But I would enter the market right at this trend line here. Or when the trend changes again to the upside, you can enter your trade. This will get you in the ballpark of your entry. This is a trade going on. We taken earlier today. We're at 203 today. Okay, while I was making this video, the trend is now we have a buy signal. We got the blue candle now on the 5 minute chart. We may enter right here if you want. Or if you're more conservative, you can wait till you hit this upper trend line, which was taken from your last hour candlestick. Okay, this will conclude the video. Hope you got some value out of the video, and download the free strategy and the ebook below in the description. Have a good week, and we'll talk to you later.